Did you know that you can add cottage cheese to banana bread for extra moisture and nutritional value? Start by combining your dry ingredients in a bowl and whisking them together to combine them well. In a second larger bowl, combine your very ripened bananas and your cottage cheese and use an immersion blender to puree them well. You can also make this step with a regular blender if you don't have an immersion one. Add your eggs to the cottage cheese and banana mixture, whisk it in, and then add in your brown sugar. You want to whisk in your brown sugar, making sure that it's nice and dissolved, and then pouring in your melted butter. Make sure that all your wet ingredients are well combined, and then add in the dry ingredients. Use a spatula to fold your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until everything is well combined, still lumpy and not overmixed. Coat a regular loaf pan with nonstick spray and pour in the batter into the mold. Use your spatula to smooth off the top, making sure it goes into the corners, and then place the loaf into the preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes. Use a toothpick, insert it in the middle, making sure it comes out clean, and then let the loaf cool completely before taking it out. Find the full recipe at FrenchKidsCook.com.